morning, everybody. Myself Vishnu. Today our topic is about the Kushma discipline. Here our team members are 6 members. So contents are abstract introduction. So our primary is about abstract. So in this discipline there are 4 points. It encourages plastic waste recycle. It means our website will motivate about encourage plastic waste recycle into the inwards and the rewards user with eco points, give eco points to the user like reading code about samosa and learning, and it maintains digital recycle in our records. It means it will give the users to the digital records in our website. It promotes environmental sustainability about nature.
Start.
Plastic waste is a non-degradable. It is not decomposed. It causes pollution. Recycle reduces the environmental impact. When the recycling happens, it does not decompose plastic. It reduces the environmental impact. Students need motivation to recycle. The students want to support by less the plastic in the right area. So I will motivate the students because that will provide the advantage. When the students will plastic it places in the right place, our project Smart Testing will provide the rewards and money.
Action.
So next topic is about literature survey. Additional beat flag tracking. It means that once the user has been thrown the recycling to our website, uploading images, the waste is how much we cannot capture. Existing system are limited rewards. So our website has limited rewards, but in the future we are going to develop more and more rewards. Once the fund is more, recycling has strong sponsorship features. In this today's generation, no sponsorship for recycling has, but in future we have more sponsorship. Integrated solution is required. In this website we have used integrated solution like uploading photo, and they will pick up the garage and will give reading points to the user. Thank you.
First user will get registered with a proper account, and then he will log into our website with a username and a proper strong password, and then he will upload the waste image of the waste where he can make eco points, and then system processing will happen where system will notice that if it's a plastic or biodegradable waste or non-biodegradable waste. If it is a biodegradable waste, the system will reject it. If it is a plastic, the system will accept, and based on that, the system will give eco points to the user, and then that eco points is converted into the reading rewards, where the user can get the rewards. Then company funding. The collected plastic is given to the several companies, and the funding will come to us. Next, implementation. Implementation is nothing but the tools and technologies which is used to build our project. In that thing, first for user interface and front end, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for backend, we have used Python class. For database storage, we have used MySQL database. Then testing. Testing is nothing but verifying the features of our project. In that thing, registration tested successfully. Like user can create a account successfully, then the login authentication verified. That means if users give wrong credentials, there the login is unsuccessful. The message will come like login is unsuccessful. So we have to give a proper credential. Then third point is page upload functionality check. Here user have to upload the plastic waste rather than biodegradable waste. Then reward redemption validated. That means user will get rewards from by the echo points which is converted. Thank you.
This is our proposal for e-smart system. Here from here user can log in and register to our system. And this is the login page. When the student log in, they can use the email and password to log in to our system. This is the student dashboard. Here student will see their ranking and echo points and all. And this is the upload web page. Here student can upload the plastic waste based on their rewards, the echo points will be given. And this is the waste category, the uploaded waste of the student. That means plastic waste will be stored in the waste category. And this is the category rewards. Rewards will be in the form of category rewards. Whenever they want, they can credit this rewards. This is the equal champion way. Student with the highest score will be on the top of the leaderboard and the lowest points will be at the bottom of the leaderboard. This is the admin login